Okay, it's time to check your work. The first one was 3/4. So my denominator is 4, meaning there's 4 equal pieces. So I'm going to go to the fourths, and I need 3 of them. So 1, 2, 3. This is 3/4. Here we have 4/6. I'm always going to look at my denominator first. There's 6 equal pieces, so I need 4 of them, it says. 1, 6, 2, 6, 3, 6, 4, 6. And 3/3. Since my denominator and my numerator are the same, that means I have 1 whole. So you could have, if you wanted, just put the 1 whole bar there. Or you could have done 1/3, 2/3, 3/3. Alright, hopefully you did pretty well. If not, go back and watch Mr. Westhoff's video from before. If you are ready, go on to the next slide and you can show me your knowledge of counting fractions.